Welcome to Wisdom Coaching Channel. Today we will learn from the chapter Wastewater story of class 7, and if you are not subscribe our channel, then subscribe it for more video. Let's start the video. What is wastewater? Water that has been drained out from the sink, showers, toilet, laundries etc. is called wastewater. It is of black brownish color which is rich in a lather, oil, suspended impurities etc. Water, our lifeline. Clean water is a basic need of a person for survival. Earth has 71% water, still there is water scarcity and clean water is not available to everyone. Inability to access clean water leads to many water-related diseases. Cleaning of water is a process of removing pollutants before it enters a water body or is reused. Pollutants are substances that cause contamination. This process of treating wastewater to remove pollutants is usually referred to as sewage treatment. What is sewage? Explain why it is harmful to discharge untreated sewage into rivers or seas. Sewage is a liquid containing wastes which is disposed by households, industrial and agricultural activities in water. It is harmful to discharge untreated sewage into rivers or seas because it can pollute the whole sources of water. Sewage contains harmful substances and disease-causing organisms. It is therefore dangerous to release untreated sewage in water. Why should oils and fats be not released in the drain? Explain. Oils and fats should not be released in drains because they harden the soil in the pipes and block them. Fats get clogged in holes of the soil in the drain and block it. It does not allow the water to flow. What is sludge? Explain how it is treated. Sludge is the collected solid waste from the wastewater during the treatment in water treatment plant. Sludge is decomposed in a separate tank by the anaerobic bacteria. Activated sludge is used as manure. Name two chemicals used to disinfect water: chlorine and ozone. Explain the junction of bar screens in a wastewater treatment plant. Bar screens clear the wastewater of all the physical impurities. Large-size waste like napkins, plastics, cans etc. are removed from the wastewater through the bar screens. Explain the relationship between sanitation and disease. Sanitation and disease are related to each other. Sanitation involves proper disposal of sewage and refuse from who and a in public places. If sanitation is there, no disease will occur, but if sanitation is not there, various types of disease will occur and spread. So sanitation should be kept to avoid disease. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more video.